pulling into the Boston Harbor. Look at all that tea floating out there. They say that the Boston Harbor is 90% tea. Can you believe that, Mom?
90% what?
Tea.
Tea?
The Boston Harbor? Where
Oh,
they dump
tea.
the tea?
I see what you're saying.
Can you believe that stat?
No.
It's more like 70% tea.
Today we are in Boston, Massachusetts, so we're just doing the hop on hop off bus. We're right now at stop 6. We're going to do the Boston Public Library. Incredible architecture here. Boston, Massachusetts is only 675,000 people, which seems low to me, I don't know. But it's a great city so far, very beautiful. Reminds me of Chicago. Does it remind you of Chicago so far? A lot better than New York, I will say. So everybody in New York can hate me. But so we're going to do some architecture here. I think we're going to stop in the Commons Park and see the swan ducks, the swan boats, and maybe do the Freedom Trail a little bit. So tour Boston with me.
get all we need when I go to a library.
Paintings in this area of the library are John Singer Sargent. They were put in 1895 and after. So, Wayne, here's a few. So I just found out that the swan boats are not even running. They only run through September because typically it's too cold in October to ride on the swan boats. Well, it's going to be 82 degrees here today, so got a heat wave in Boston. Maybe we'll stop at the park anyway, I don't know. Thank you.